So, according to the terms of the challenge, you are supposed to replace water with cola. And why are you looking so smart? 1 can of cola contains 10 teaspoons of sugar. That's your total recommended daily allowance. All at once. With so much sugar at one time, the body should respond with vomiting, but orthophosphoric acid absorbs most of the taste, and everything stays safely inside. Your brain is easy to trick, but it's more difficult to fool your body. The liver, in order to circumvent this atrocity, turns all that sugar into fat. Your lifespan is reduced by 2.5 years for every 10 kilograms is overweight. So, at 100 kilos overweight, you will lose 25 years off your life. On the other hand, after a couple of years of side effects from diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol, you will have a pretty good chance of dying young and beautiful. Sugar also leaches calcium from bones and teeth, and the effect is enhanced by orthophosphoric acid. Now your bones can be broken from even the slightest impact. Even the cherry on top could be cancer of the lungs or liver, caused by preservatives that turn ordinary carbonated water into the nectar of the gods, which goes so well with a big juicy burger and fries. And by the way, choose a seat near the toilet because the caffeine and cola has a diuretic effect. Put your finger up if you like this video, send it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. There are many more exciting experiments coming.